This is a G played with the third and fourth fingers. And this is a C. And sometimes you can play both of these at the same time using all four fingers. Strummed from the all six strings this chord is called C/G. And when you're playing it from the fourth string, it would be C/E, which is often picked or hammered on from the fourth. How to play this chord? First of all, claw your hand firmly and approach the guitar neck with your thumb coming in over the top. If your hand is big enough, ideally just lightly touching, but there would be fine. Third fingertip onto the sixth string, third fret, middle. And little fingertip onto the first string, third fret. It will not be possible for you to get it into the corner. It's going to hook back a little bit like this. So you compensate for that by pressing a little bit harder. The fifth string will be muted, as in all G chords, by the inside of that finger, so that when you strum six, your audience actually only hear five. You don't want this to sound. And then to add the other two fingers, second fingertip is on the fourth string, second fret, and the first fingertip is on the second string, first fret in the corner. Strumming all six, your audience will only hear five because this is muted. This sounds, and it sounds like this. A song called Take It Easy comes to mind. It's the second chord of that song, starts G. That's it there. It just drops in there. And a really good exercise to do would be to be able to get these two fingers on and off without moving these two. If you want to improve your guitar playing and add ornamentation, this is a really useful exercise to do because it opens up all sorts of possibilities. With your normal G, you can't really do that. With C, you can't, but by getting the four fingers into place, it does open a lot of new doors